Here's how to install Claude Code on macOS. This takes a couple minutes, let's get into it. If this helps, consider liking and subscribing, thanks. Before we install, just a quick heads up. Claude Code needs a paid Claude account, so Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise. You can also use it with an Anthropic console API key if you'd rather pay per use, but the free Claude.ai plan won't work for this. Open Spotlight with Command Space, type Terminal, and hit Enter. You can also find it in your Applications folder under Utilities, either way works. In the terminal, paste in curl-fs/https://claude.ai/install.sh pipebash and press Enter. This is the recommended method straight from Anthropic. It downloads a signed binary, drops it into your local bin folder, and updates your shell config automatically. No Node.js needed, which is nice. Give it a few seconds to finish. If you'd rather use Homebrew, you can run brew install-cask Claude-code instead, but the native installer is what Anthropic recommends since it auto-updates in the background. Once the install is done, go ahead and close this terminal window and open a fresh one. This is so your shell picks up the new path entry, otherwise the Claude command won't be recognized yet. Type Claude --version, and you should see the version number print out, which confirms it installed correctly. Then type Claude and hit Enter to launch it. The first time, you'll pick a theme and then it'll prompt you to sign in. Choose Claude account with subscription, and your browser will open to authorize. Once you approve it, head back, press Enter, read the security notes, and press Enter again. Select the first option to use the recommended settings. Then select the first option again to trust Claude in your directory. Claude Code is now all set and ready to go. If something doesn't look right, you can also run Claude Doctor, and it'll check your install for common issues, like path or auth problems. That's all there is to it. Claude Code is installed and signed in. Now you can open any project folder, run Claude, and start coding with AI right from your terminal. Thanks for watching.